So your website has to be mobile friendly. After page speed, mobile friendliness is a very common you can say factor of on-page SEO. If you want to rank high on Google search results, your page speed has to be very good. Your website has to be responsive. Your website has to be mobile friendly, and you can check the mobile friendliness of your website through Google Search Console. And if you just need to put your URL there, and you will find if your website is mobile friendly, this green note will appear in front of your screen, and it will state that the page is mobile friendly. So you need to understand that mobile friendliness plays a significant role in on-page SEO. Secure your website. Your website should be secured, should have an SSL certificate. This is the secured website, and this is an unsecured website example. Let's move forward. If you have unsecured website, there are negative impacts, and the negative impacts are low click-through rate, high bounce rate. If user is on the website and he or she sees that the SSL certificate is not there, or your website is not secure, then there is a high chance that they will exit your website without navigating into other pages. You will get low sales if you have not installed SSL certificate, and the credibility of your website gets low when the SSL certificate is not there. So these are the negative impacts of unsecured website. Your website has to be secured. You just need to apply the SSL certificate for your website. Create short and simple URLs. So this is another common on-page SEO technique. Here are some best practices regarding the URLs. The shorter, the better. Separate words with a dash. Ideally, it should include the focus keyword. So your URL structure should be focusing on the focus keywords which you want to rank on the Google keyword. Basically, focus keywords are the keywords which you want to rank on the Google search engine. Don't use digits or other special characteristics. So let's take an example of URL structure. If we wrote a post about 10 common mistakes on SEO, the ideal URL probably would be this is the domain, this is the blog page, and this is about the blog on page SEO mistakes. So this should be the ideal URL structure. Avoid, like earlier said, avoid digits. You have to avoid 10 on page SEO mistakes. So ideal will be on page SEO mistakes. So that way your website will be indexed for easily. So these are the small tips that has to be used.